Hello, my name is Gary Hardcastle with Autograph Yacht Group, and today I'd like to welcome you on board my newest listing, a 2026 Sunseeker 88. She goes by the name DOLCE FAR NIENTE. The options list is too long to mention all at once, so let's go ahead and get started right here at the stern. Starting with the transom here, you got a large storage locker. You can put anything like sea bobs, you can put dive tanks, toys, fenders. It's a really nice space. And to the right of your toy storage garage is your crew and engine room access, which we'll talk about later. The swim platform is hydraulic and very large. When it's down position, it creates a beautiful beach club. And as you can see, we're getting submerged. When you're not using it as a beach club, the swim platform houses this 435 Williams jet tender, which happens to be brand new, just like the boat. Excuse the outfit change, but here we are in the aft cockpit. I want to point out some really impressive features. First off, you'll notice this big U-shaped seating area, beautiful teak table, absolutely amazing space. You have a large TV to starboard side. Another clever feature is this sunshade. With the push of a button, it lowers and completely protects you from the sun and the wind. For all you captains out there, I wanted to point out this nice feature, which is this aft docking station. Comes in handy a lot, as you know, when you're backing into a slip. Walking up to the bow, first thing you're gonna notice are these extra high safety rails. Keeps you very secure when you're walking around the boat underway. When you approach midship, you're gonna come across this boarding gate. They're located on port and starboard side. Another great way to get on board the boat. Up here on the bow, you got a great amount of space. You have sunbathing for 4, beautiful U-shaped seating area. You also can put the sunshade up, which covers the entire area. Another thing I want to point out is the dual ground tackle. Redundancy is everything when it comes to safety. This owner is all about protection and longevity. All the black you see on board this boat has been ceramic coated entirely. So here we are aft of the flybridge, located in this really nice seating area. The owner's favorite spot on board. Nice cigar, maybe a nice glass of whiskey. This spot will get it done. And this entire area can be covered by the electrical sunshade in the hardtop. Now let's talk entertainment and service. You got a full wet bar appointed with everything you could possibly imagine. Refrigerator, ice maker, sink. Also a nice electric grill. Across from the wet bar is this very generous U-shaped seating area. Lunch, breakfast, and dinner. Absolutely great spot to hang out. And of course, you have your second helm station, which is fully redundant. To the port side is a seating area which offers great views underway. Welcome to the salon of DOLCE FAR NIENTE. As you can see, there's a ton of natural light. You also notice the interior on this boat, very contemporary, something that I was super impressed to see. Absolutely gorgeous in person. So all the way aft, you have a big, beautiful sectional, big TV, great location to watch news in the morning or play games at night. Just forward, we have formal dining for 8. We also have this nice, clever sliding door, which gives you a great breeze when you're sitting here at the table. I also wanted to point out this beautifully lit bar. Just below that is a nice display case, which currently holds a humidor. And just before the helm, you have your day head. All the way forward is your main helm station located on the starboard side, which of course has completely new electronics, latest and greatest. To port, you'll find your galley, which features a full suite of Miele appliances, and the whole area closes off if you like to have a private chef on board. Down below, she features 4 staterooms with very generous en-suites. And all the way forward, you'll find a very spacious VIP. Here we are in the full beam master. You'll see a centerline king. You have a very nice vanity, big hull side windows, which is great for a view when you're in the boat. You also will notice a really nice walk-in closet, and you also have a very large ensuite head. I want to thank you all for taking the time to walk through DOLCE FAR NIENTE with me. Again, my name is Gary Hardcastle with Autograph Yacht Group. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out anytime. Until next time, cheers.